Good morning, good morning. Welcome to Power Plays Palace. We back again for another Power Plays. Let's get right to it. Oh, look at the SPY chart from yesterday. You see SPY start today about 685. Dropped all the way down to 680.95. Ran back up to 684. Back down to 682. And then went right back to 684. And then ended the day in that general area, which is good. You see these blue lines for previous days, highs and lows. The blue line is pre-market highs. Um, Purple lines are previous days highs and lows. So you can see that that's what's been going on with the SPY, man. It's been in this general area, but we've been able to get some good moves out of it, and that's what we did. There's another, it's an inverse. Okay. So we got a lot going on with the SPY, man. But if you trade discipline, you should have been okay. Let's see what we got here. Okay, so what we were looking at is an entry between 685.50 and 685.90 for the puts. Watch area was put pretty solid with the pre-market highs and lows. And so what we were able to do is getting. I didn't realize I left that typo right there. Y'all see that 678? That's a typo. My bad on that. But you can play the puts from the open. It went up 685 and it bottomed out at 680. So if you play the chart, you hit all three levels going down. You can hit any coming, on the call side, but on the put side, you hit all levels. And if you timed it up or played it off the bounce and retest back up, you could have got a 5 point move down and then a 4 point move back up, another 2 point move down, and another 2 point move back up. So you could have essentially played the spot all day and got one, two, three. Let's look at this thing here. You got one move, small move, but a still move from 1,681, 682, almost $2. Then you got from 681, 680.95 all the way back up to where it peaked at 684.14, back down to 682. That's a small move, 1 point move, almost a 1 point move. But right here off the retest, you could have got 2 more points out of it. So I mean, you could have did really well considering if you played the chart and just played it for what it was worth. And that's where these different levels kick in at that I be talking about. That's why you keep them in. It gave me some clear areas to play here. So if you played that, then you should have did okay. All right, so let's look at what we got for today. Uh, and so we got for today. All right, so we gonna look for if spot breaks and holds above 684.51. I'm gonna look for a long entry between 684.60 and 684.90, and with my stop loss, going at 684 and target 685, 86, 87, 688.50, and that'll be for a move up. If the volume come in, the buyers come in, they can easily, push it up. And that, if the Bulls don't put up a good fight and keep it where they want it at. Now, if the spot pushes towards 684.20, 684.80 and stalls, I'm going to look for a rejection short and put my stop above 685 with my target at 683.50, 682.50, and 681.80. And this is if you get a fail on the push up. And if we see slowing volumes and, those wicks at the top, candles getting weaker, that's where you look at that. With my opening focus is gonna be 681.50 to 684.50. That's gonna determine, in my opinion, whether the market wants to keep going higher or give us a good pullback. And you can get in based on the candle that you plan on the chart. I play out the 5-minute chart, but if you're using the 15 or the hourly chart, a lot of those charts should look similar or at least go in the same direction. If you want to confirm or deny a move, you should see multiple levels of confirmation, honestly. And you want to do that and make sure you scale out every level 20, 25%, get your profit, and, keep you some runners if you got enough in there. And that's going to be the spot trade plan for today. Anything above 684.51, I'm watching for a bullish continuation in the 687, 688. And anything below 681.70, I'm going to look for some bearish momentum with room around close to 680, 678. And so, be mindful today. It might be some consolidation. So play your trades and be safe. And remember that this is not financial advice. This is just my ideas I'm expressing with you from one trader who's a member of our Power Plays group. And if anything in this video helped you, like, share, and subscribe, and come on and join the group, man. We over here at Power Plays Discord, and there'll be a link in the description if you want to join. Just follow the link, come on over, and y'all have a nice day. Power Plays.